Hello fellow traders, welcome again to Porsaj Forex Academy. Today we are here with another signal. Today's signal is going to be on EURUSD, and as always, without any more time to waste, let's head to our calendar and see what we have. Okay, now as you can see, the overall summary points for this currency were negative for this week, unfortunately, but today's signal is going to be a buy signal. And the other thing that actually made me a little bit curious about this currency is that there are 50% of people buying this currency and 50% of people selling. This shows that this currency is going to consolidate for a little bit today, but tomorrow's news are showing that the overall impact of these two news are going to pump up the price to the upside a little bit, but at the end of the day we all know that the news are not enough. So let's head to the chart, analyze the chart, and see what we can understand there. Okay, now as you can see, we are on 1 hour time frame on EURUSD, and what I'm seeing here, and I've pre-drawn some areas for you, is that this one, the green area, is a really strong support below the price, and the red one was actually a really strong resistance. As you can see, the overall bearish trend started from here, and it's showing that there were some equal highs here that the price tried to gather all the money and margin above these highs and went to the downside. And what I'm really afraid of now is that we are actually having three equalish lows, that the price might actually see through them and go below them, gather some money, and then start to go up again. That's why I'm saying that this signal is going to be a buy signal. But with no more time to waste, as always, sit back and enjoy the music so I can make this more beautiful for you guys. Enjoy. Okay, now that we have this beautiful setup, I just wanted to end it with this. The only way to succeed in trading is to stop trying to predict the future and start reacting to what the market is telling you. I hope you have enjoyed. Have a good day and peace.